I know I usually post videos on Fridays, but I wanted to do a new series with you. Now, it's called the Protocol for Relaxation, and it was created by Dr. Karen Overall. I'm going to have her website linked in the description below. I'm also going to have this packet linked in the description below as well. So, this packet has all of the information that I will be saying, maybe a little bit more, and I will also be able to input just a little bit more information for you guys. So this relaxation protocol is 15 days. At the soonest, it is recommended that you complete this program at those 15 days at the fastest pace. But the speed with which you complete this behavior modification program with your pet depends entirely on your pet's response. I really wanted to point that out because that is so important to go at your dog's pace. If your dog is struggling with, say, day 7, continue doing day 7 until they complete it successfully or are no longer struggling. Or even go back a couple days, maybe to day 5 or 6 when they were previously successful. Do that for a couple more days before trying day 7. I'm going to be completing this program with you, with Ding. She has never done this before, so it'll be her first time. These guys have done it multiple times, so they will be hanging out on their boundaries as I do it. I might reinforce them in between exercises just for maintaining their boundaries and not driving me up a wall. So if you see me feeding them, that is just me reinforcing them and not necessarily anything to do with the protocol or with Ding. The other thing I wanted to point out for you guys is that this protocol should take you no more than 15 minutes a day. There is a YouTube playlist that I can also link below that just has the audio for all of the tasks and days. And I think that those audio videos are no more than 9 minutes and some seconds. So no more than 10 minutes. And there are times later in the days that I do have to pause and then, do the activity and then continue. But this program should really take you no longer than 15 minutes in one session. You can break this up into multiple sessions. I mean, you can do it for 2 minutes, 10 times a day, 5 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, or even 20 minutes twice a day. Honestly, it's whatever works best for you and your pet. And like I said, you want to go at your pet's pace. So be realistic with a schedule for you and a schedule that works at your pet's pace, because you'll both be happier with it. If you are constantly struggling and not seeing success by doing the full video all at once, do half a video or do 2 repetitions. Break it up so that your pet is successful, because seeing the success from your pet will just intuitively make you happier and feel like you're actually getting somewhere with this protocol. Honestly, the whole point of this protocol is, for me, I use it to build duration on a boundary, but I also use it to build a small level of distraction work. So relaxation with distractions. In the beginning few days, it's really, really easy. It really does set you up for success. So, it's things that your dog should hopefully be okay with already. But by towards the end of the 15 days, you're running around your house, staying out of sight, ringing the doorbell, knocking on the door, greeting pretend people. You're doing all of these things that do happen in day-to-day life and sometimes elicit a response from your dog that is not really desirable. So I really, really like this program for that aspect. Good job, guys. I heard a car door slam. This protocol really, really is a preventative program for puppies. But as you can see, Ding will be 2 at the end of the month. And she has never done this before. So the age that you're doing this does not matter with your dog. One other final thing that I want to mention is that throughout the program, it will have instructions to, let's see, I'll just flip this over. Like I said, it has instructions to sit for 5 seconds, or sit for 3 seconds, or sit and do whatever activity. When I do this program, I start off with my dog in their crate and the door closed, and then I'm just feeding in between the bars between repetitions. So the only goal when I'm doing it in the crate is that my dog stays in the crate. That's going to set them up for honestly the most success because they can't leave the crate. If you're nervous about moving from a crate to a boundary and doing this, then you can do the full 15 days in the crate and then the full 15 days in the crate with the door open and then move to the boundary. I will be doing this entire protocol with Ding on her boundary. So my only requirement for Ding is that she stays on her bed. I don't care if she's sitting, laying down, or standing. I just want her to maintain her boundary. Eventually, my goal with all of my dogs is that whenever they hear a doorbell and knocking on the door, or see someone come in, or even I interact with someone at my door, they see that as a cue to go on their boundary and relax. One of my rules for guests in the house is that if my dog is on their boundary, that's an off-limits zone. This is their safe place. And this relaxation protocol is a really great place to start building that this is my safe place association. So I am going to upload each day at 7:30 a.m. Central Time. And I highly encourage you guys to play along with me. I am going to be reading out all of the instructions so you can literally do it along with me as the video plays. I want to know all of your experiences in the comments as you do this. I will also have a playlist for all 15 days so that you can easily reference back to it. And then the last thing I wanted to mention, honestly, just completely left my brain. So, all 15 days, 7:30 a.m. Central Time. It's completely gone. All right. If I remember it, I'll update the description and let you guys know the last thing I wanted to let you guys know about. So, yep. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Thursday, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow morning for day one. Bye, guys.